starting with the holy and blessed name of Allah, who is most gracious and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students, today I am here to deliver the lecture of 10th class chemistry. Chapter name is acid, base and salts. Today's topic is general properties of acids. Physical properties you have learned in the first lecture of this chapter. Now chemical properties. There are different reactions of acids with different compounds, substances. First, reaction with metals. How acid reacts with metals? Acid reacts exclusively with metals like sodium, potassium and calcium. There are different kind of metals, so acid reacts in different way. Acid reacts like sodium, potassium and calcium very fastly. However, dilute acids HCl and H2SO4 react moderately with reactive metals like magnesium, zinc, iron and aluminium to form their respective salts with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Zn, zinc, reacts with sulfuric acid H2SO4 to form zinc sulfate ZnSO4 plus H2. This arrow shows that hydrogen gas evolve out. Aluminium reacts with hydrochloric acid to form aluminium chloride plus hydrogen gas. Second, reaction with carbonates and bicarbonates. Symbol of carbonate is CO3 and bicarbonate HCO3. When acid reacts with carbonates and bicarbonates CaCO3 plus HCl to form their corresponding salt, hydrochloric acid is using, so calcium chloride will form, and due to carbonates carbon dioxide gas will evolve out and water will also produce. Sodium bicarbonate reacts with sulfuric acid, then first sodium sulfate will form, carbon dioxide gas evolve out and water will produce. Now reaction with bases. When acid reacts with bases to form salt and water, this process is called neutralization, and you have learned this process in previous classes. NaOH plus HCl gives us NaCl plus H2O. CuO, copper oxide, reacts with sulfuric acid to form copper sulfate and water. Reaction with sulfides and bisulfides. Acid reacts with sulfides and bisulfides to form salt with the liberation of sulfur dioxide gas. Symbol of sulfite is SO3 and bisulfite is HSO3. CaSO3 plus 2HCl gives us CaCl2 plus SO2 sulfur dioxide gas evolve out plus water. Sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3 reacts with hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride with the evolution of sulfur dioxide gas and water. Reaction with sulfides. When acid reacts with metal sulfide, acid sulfuric acid is reacting with metal sulfide, here iron sulfide FeS to liberate hydrogen sulfide gas. FeS plus H2SO4 gives us FeSO4 plus H2S. Following acids are called mineral acids. This information is very important according to short questions that write names of mineral acids. There are three mineral acids: hydrochloric acid HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4 and nitric acid HNO3. Uses of acids: sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, benzoic acid and acetic acids. All uses are very important. For short question of board pattern, sulfuric acid is used to manufacture fertilizers, ammonium sulfate, calcium superphosphate. These are fertilizers, explosive, paints, drugs, dyes. It is also used as an electrolyte in lead storage batteries. Nitric acid What is the use of nitric acid? It is used to manufacture of fertilizers, ammonium nitrate due to nitrogen, explosive, paints, drugs and etching designs on copper plates. Hydrochloric acid is used for cleaning metals, tanning and in printing industries. Benzoic acid is used for food preservation, and acetic acid is used for flavoring food and food preservation. It is also used to cure the sting of wasps. Today's topic has been completed. Prepare all the reactions of acids and also uses of acids. Take care. Allah Hafiz.